Hi everyone, I've got a Fiat 500 here. Right, just doing the brake light bulb on this, but before I do it, I'll show you what I mean. If I start the car up, you'll see on the display there in a minute, it'll tell me the problem. So right front door is open, which I've opened it. Boot's open, which I've opened. Check stop lamp. Now I'm going to show you which one it is. Right, as you can see on the back, can you press the brakes for me? If you look on the right hand side, that's working, the top one's working. On the left hand side, which is not working, this is the one that we're going to do. Now to do it, it's quite a simple procedure. You either need a Phillips screwdriver or a 10mm socket, which is here. A 10mm socket would do. And the bulb you need is a 382, which is a single filament one, which is right here in my hand. So that's a single filament one there. So we're going to do it. We're going to show you how it's done now. All right there. Let's undo the screws. Make sure you don't lose anything. It's quite a simple procedure on these ones. Just gently pull the light out. Right, on the back here, you've got a clip here, clip here, clip here, and a clip here as well. So you gently push the clip back and then pull the cluster forward towards you. Do the same thing on that side as well. Pull it towards you. Do the same on that side as well. So once you've done it, you can put the lens somewhere safe. This is the bulb that we're replacing. To get the bulb out, that's a single filament, like I said to you. Get a new one. So there's only one way they would go. Now we'll put the cluster back on and everything else, so that's the way you need to go. Make sure the seals are on properly as well, so don't mess around. And these are the two little lugs that need to sort of slot in here. Now before I put it back together, I'm just going to show you whether it's working or not. If you just press the brakes for me again, please. As you can see now, both of them working. That's all you've got to do. Make sure you, I'm going to put the screws back on anyway, but you guys need to sort of, when you're doing it, make sure you put the screws on and they're nice and tight, not too tight that you'll break it. Any more information, please do let us know and we'll try helping you out. Thank you very much. Goodbye.